Hey guys, welcome to my video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the screeching sound that comes from speakers, which might want you to throw them, but I can assure you it's quite easy to give a fix. So these set of speakers, I got them last year probably from Shenzhen. Got it around like 2,500 bucks, Indian rupees, which is not that much, but yeah. The sound output from these are amazingly. So if you see, so this is how this speaker sounds, guys, and it's really amazing. But hear it from the other speaker. Let me just pair a single speaker. I'll show you what the issue is. If you listen closely, the speaker starts screeching. And this is because I used to hear my music at full volume, which has caused one of the speakers to malfunction. So instead of throwing the speaker, I can show you how to give it a simple fix. So end of the day, what you lose is just a little bass from one of the speakers. And I can fix it with all the available home tools. Let's say a nail cutter probably and a fake space knife. So all you have to do is just peel off this rubber coating, which I've done here. So this is a rubber coating. And then guys, this is the magnetic thing which makes the speaker almost attachable to any metallic surface. And once I remove this, I just need to apply a little heat on the sides so that I'm able to take this piece of glass away. I don't think it's fully glass, but it's like high quality plastic, which makes all the bass vibrate and hit the outside of the speakers. And inside you have a small piece of battery. And then be careful guys, all these wires are pretty delicate. So what I've done here is I've just taken a normal tissue paper and I've just stuck it inside so that it absorbs the excess bass, which causes a vibration. And it's kind of easy, but you just need to ensure that you don't press it too hard. Let me show you. Take a bit of the tissues. I mean, earlier before this, guys, it was sounding even more way worse than this. I think that's better. Now let's try to play it with both the speakers.
I see the moon, I see the moon, I see the moon. Oh, when you're looking at the sun. Not a fool, not a fool, not a fool. No, you're not fooling anyone.
That's it, folks. Hope you love the video. If you love it, just hit like. It means something. Thank you.